I ordered some items for a bathroom from an online retailer just before Christmas.
Nigel, I'm so sorry. I missed what you said. You ordered
some bathroom items.
Yep.
Just before Christmas, yeah, from an online retailer. They were meant to deliver within 5 days. It didn't arrive. I gave them a little bit extra because of the Christmas break. I went back to the retailer to say, look, the items didn't arrive. They checked with the courier company. It's quite a popular courier company. I won't say the name. But the courier company is telling them that they did deliver. However, no signature or no photo has been provided. In fact, the courier company says that they didn't take a signature or a photo.
The temerity of some of these courier companies is astonishing, isn't it? Anyway, carry on.
I assume under the Consumer Rights Act, the retailer is still responsible for the delivery of those items to me. So I'm not going to take it up with the courier company. I did tell the the retailer that this is their responsibility and they need to sort it out. But they keep coming back to me and say, look, the courier company said that they did deliver. Let me just add something else. When I checked the terms and conditions of the retailer on their website, it does specifically say that a signature will be sought, and if a signature is not sought, then they would leave a note through the door. And we didn't get any of that. When I mentioned this to the retailer, they said that with COVID, they don't seek signatures anymore.
They're hoist by their own petard, aren't they, Nigel? And good for you for spotting out in the terms and conditions. Yeah, so they are bang to rights on this. First of all, it's up to them to prove it's been delivered, and they clearly can't because the courier company doesn't have any proof of delivery. Second of all, they're hoist by their own petard. They said that they won't deliver without a contract, and they haven't got a signature, and they haven't got a signature. So, did you pay on credit card or did you pay some other way?
Unfortunately, a debit card.
Debit card. Well, if it's within 120 days, which it will be if this is a pre-Christmas present, you can contact the bank that you have your debit card with and claim under the chargeback scheme. And normally, not always, but normally that is straightforward. It's not quite as straightforward as using a credit card, but it's normally relatively straightforward. But if that doesn't work, you will, I'm afraid, have to issue a claim in the small claims court against the online retailer for your money. And the moment you put in that claim, they'll pay you back because they know they won't have a leg to stand on. How much is it, by the way?
It's not too much for this principal. It's sort of £220. I mean, it's not a little, but it's not a lot as well. But it's more principle. I just hate being fobbed off, especially, the way they've treated me, and they probably treat their other customers the same way.
Yeah, totally get it. And someone needs to teach them a lesson.